Hi there, students. To cram. To cram something into a container. To cram people into a place. So this is to completely fill a place or a container till it's full and overflowing. To put in more than the container or the room can easily hold, and to keep trying to cram, to push more things into it. To stuff in, to pack in like sardines, to jam in, yeah? Okay? To force people or things into a space that appears to be too small. So I believe in the underground in Japan, they have people who cram the passengers into the cars. Okay? So to cram, to put in as much as you can. He crammed the sandwich into his mouth. Yeah? So his mouth was completely full. Yeah? The metro is crammed with people. It's completely full to overflowing. He crammed the things into his suitcase. Okay, yeah, when you're packing and you go on holiday and you've got more things that'll fit into your suitcase, or it looks like it, you cram the things in until it's absolutely full. To cram, this is the idea of pushing to make it fit, because there are so many things. Okay, to cram something into something. Notice we can also use this verb to cram, meaning to study intensely for a few days or a few hours before an exam. It's like you're cramming facts into your head. You're pushing as many as can fit, and then maybe more, yeah? So that your head is full of all the things that you need to know. Okay, this word to cram comes from Dutch, or is close to the Dutch word crammen, which means to clamp, to hold tightly in position, or to cramp, to push hard on something. Okay, so notice as well, to cram is a regular verb. It's probably neutral, maybe slightly informal. Yeah, you could probably use it when you were writing, but not in something really formal. And certainly it's a really good word to speak when you're talking to your friends. So to cram something in, to completely fill it with more things than it can easily hold. Yeah? His pockets were crammed with sweets. Yeah? My mind is crammed with facts. The cinema was crammed with people because everybody wanted to watch the film. The underground is crammed with passengers at rush hour. Okay? So to be crammed, passive, to be full of. To cram, to fill, to overflowing, and more. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. My channel is crammed with videos. To cram.